bouncer.
Our top story. Mikado, the company heading the International Space Project, announced the launch of an additional solar power generator satellite. The announcement comes as a surprise to many. So what exactly is a solar power generator satellite? Well, we've prepared some diagrams, so let's take a look. First, an Earth-based station transmits a guidance signal. Upon receiving the signal, the satellite uses a large mirror to generate electricity from solar power. The electricity is then converted to microwave radiation and sent down to the ground station. The ground station then converts the microwave radiation back to electricity, which can then be used for general purposes. The question is, do we need such a costly energy program during this time of recession? And how will people be affected by the large amounts of microwave radiation raining down on Earth? While the Mikado Corporation is in charge of a major nationally funded public project, no details about the launch have thus far been revealed. We will keep a close eye on this story.
Damn it! They beat us to it?
At the target coordinates. Deploying assault unit.
What's with the sour face? You're scaring away the customers.
Sorry, just doing my job.
Yeah.
Sure is weird weather for spring.
Hey, Dominique, he's been waiting for you. Hurry up.
You're looking busy, Co.
Hey, if we're not doing anything, it means the bar's doing just fine, right, Sion?
Good morning.
Hey, where were you? You're late.
Well, Hey, Sion, when's your birthday?
Birthday? Why?
Sion, it's your shift.
Yeah, I know.
Come to think of it, it was exactly 1 year ago today you first came to this bar and started that giant brawl fest.
Then that means today's your first anniversary as a bouncer. Here, I got this for you.
What's this?
A present.
What the? They're Mikado Special Forces. You ready? They weren't after me?
Who are they?
They were from Mikado.
Huh, you're awfully well informed.
Let's go to Mikado.
Whoa, hang on. I've got connections. Let me look into it first. I need you to check on something for me. Yeah, I need to get into Mikado fast. Look, I'm in a hurry. Yeah, thanks. Great. What time? Gotcha. We're taking off now. Thanks. I owe you one. There's a special train at the central station that's headed for Mikado.
When?
In half an hour.
Let's go then. We don't have much time.
Looks like he's got a heart after all, especially when it comes to her.
No kidding.
There's another one.
Yeah. There's a whole bunch of them.
I don't think they're gonna let us through.
I hate doing extra work.
Hey, come on.
Yeah, we got bigger fish to fry.
What is it?
Huh?
You recognize that Black Panther?
No.
Let's get going. We're gonna miss the train.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Rent-a-cops.
Security is tight, as expected.
We're running out of time.
Then I guess we'll break through the front.
Hey! What are you doing there?
We're hitching a ride is what we're doing. Keep up the good work, mister. I think that's it.
Not again.
I didn't expect such a warm reception.
Shouldn't the train be departing soon?
Uh-huh. It ought to be. We'll time it so that we jump on the train just as it starts to take off. When you hear the whistle, start booking for the train. Don't miss your cue.
Who do you think you're talking to?
Man, you guys just keep adding to my workload! Crap, we better hurry.
We've made it. Somehow.
Looks like we're on a tanker car. This thing's probably carrying rocket fuel for that shuttle launch everyone's been talking about.
You think Dominique's on this train?
The special forces are the ones who kidnapped her. Dominique's at Mikado by now.
Oh, really? You seem to know a lot about this, Volt.
Damn.
They know we're here?
After that mess we made back there, yes.
We may have intruders in the last car. Investigate it once. Remember, no guns. We're transporting rocket fuel. You got that, Echidna?
Roger. We've got company. They're stowaways. Make sure you give them an appropriate welcome.
Oh, man! We're gonna freeze out here!
Is there any way to get in?
Guess there's no point in hiding.
Better take him out before my backup gets here.
Hey, come on!
If you don't have a ticket, you're gonna have to pay. And this ride ain't cheap.
Where did you take Dominique?
So nice to see you again, Echidna.
Is that you, Volt? I thought I finished him off.
Indeed. But I'm not the Volt you once knew. Now it's your turn to take a trip to hell.
This time, I'll make sure I finish you off, along with your friends.
You could be such a hottie if only you kept your mouth shut. You would be such a babe if you weren't trying to kick our butts.
It's not over yet. I'll teach you a thing or two about a woman's wrath the next time we meet.
Bolt, what happened between you two?
I think we'll save story time for later.
She's here.
Take it easy, woman. You were more gentle.
Captain, that last attack disabled the brakes! What? We're almost at the station!
The brakes are out?
This thing's carrying rocket fuel. If it slams into the station, we're all gonna be a lot warmer.
Let's detach the last car.
Leanne, can you say overkill?
The coupler's locked with a card key.
And where are we going to get this card key?
It's probably in the engineer's cab.
But the cargo's in the way.
Then we better find one in this car.
Hey, what if we don't find one?
We're toast.
Damn you. time already?
Damn! Oh man! Please let this be a bad dream.
Jumping off as soon as we reach the station.
Wait! I don't know how we lived through that.
It's not over yet. Seawater's rushing in from the explosion. Hurry! This isn't good. The emergency shutters are activating.
So we're dead if we get trapped. Can't go back now. Let's push on. Can't believe they're attacking us. They must really love their job.
I shouldn't be the one to talk.
Hey, come on!
There's no time to waste.
Hey, come on!
An emergency exit.
Does it lead outside? This is the only exit, man. We don't have much of a choice.
An air carrier. They must be looking for us.
Out of the frying pan and into the fire, eh? What now?
We'll hitch a ride.
Oh, what a wonderful idea. So should we just go up to them and say, please?
We'll look for a chance to jump on.
It's going to be a long shot.
Okay, now!
This is insane.
What the hell?
We're the punks you're looking for. It's a tough job, isn't it? So is mine.
Hey,
Yes?
keep flying this thing.
Yes, sir. Dominique!
Yo, driver, drop us off over there.
He got away.
Volt, you scared him. Hey, you passed it.
Damn it.
I could have 9 lives for this mission, and it still wouldn't be enough.
Just be grateful you're alive.
Yeah.
That dome. I'm sure I saw Dominique in there.
Let's go check it out.
Easier said than done. fancy pets, eh?
I'm sure they're more than that.
Like I said, easier said than done.
Shut up. We don't want them to find us. Special Forces.
Look at all the security. This has gotta be the place.
Yeah, Dominique must be in there.
I hope we're not too late.
Hey, come on!
They're faster than those guys back in the city.
I knew he'd be here.
It's you!
How does it feel to have your woman taken away from you?
I'll save her after I bust you up.
Unfortunately, that's not how this story goes. Here, we have the advantage. You don't stand a chance.
You will never get the girl back!
This guy's psycho.
Hey, come on!
Game over.
This guy's psycho. right, let's go save your princess, Sion. This thing's pretty big up close.
I don't know how we're gonna get past this.
We're not giving up yet.
Wong, transfer Dominique to the Gallios. We will proceed according to plan.
But the satellite control center has not been repaired since yesterday's explosion.
What do you mean, Wong? Dominique has returned. It is now possible.
But
As Chief Executive Officer, I order you, Wong.
I beg to differ. My allegiance belongs to your predecessor. You are only using the Mikado Group to fulfill your own selfish agenda. What would Master Mikado think of your abuse? Please, for your sister's sake.
Then do you intend to stop me by force, Master Wong?
That's Duragan.
Why is that old geezer fighting him?
Master?
In Eastern cultures, they say there's only one way to repay one's master, by surpassing him. This is my payback to you, Master!
No!
Forgive me, Sion. Mikado must be stopped.
Master!
You must do it. Sion.
Master.
I see that you have studied under Wong. That would explain why you've been so difficult to deal with.
I'm avenging my master. And I'm taking back Dominique!
She is my sister. I'm the one who will take her back.
What?
I should thank you for protecting her. Is there any way I can repay you?
Do you take me for a fool?
I guess I have no choice but to fight you then. So be it. I'll show you how it feels to be utterly powerless. I will take on all three of you at once. I shall add another handicap as well.
You sure are confident, bastard.
Hey, come on!
I was expecting more from all the trash you've been talking. Now hand over Dominique.
Apparently, I have underestimated you. But how about this? It was fun while it lasted, but I have other more pressing matters. As does Dominique. It is almost time, Dominique.
Please, open up! My sister, she's dying!
Oh dear, where are your mother and father? One moment. Doctor! Doctor! I'm sorry, the doctor's on a house call right now. You'll have to find another hospital.
Please! I don't have anywhere else to go! Please! Please save my sister!
Are you all right? Good heavens! To the hospital, quickly!
At once, sir. Master Mikado wishes to adopt you as his son, under one condition.
Condition?
You must become worthy of inheriting the Mikado group. Obviously, you must excel scholastically, but you must also train your body and soul.
I understand. I would be more than happy to return this favor in any way possible.
You will learn all disciplines, for your sake, and for your sisters as well. You have done well in succeeding your father. You've endured harsh training, and you've matured into a young man in whom anyone would be proud. Your father will rest easy knowing that his legacy lies in good hands. From now on, you will lead the Mikado group.
Ugh, smells like a sweat sock in here.
Of all the places they could have thrown me.
Hey! Keep it quiet in there!
Oh, well, excuse me!
You're not Special Forces. Good day, sir.
Keep up the good work.
Good day, sir.
Man, I think that gave me a couple gray hairs.
Identify yourself!
Hey, did you hear that no one's being allowed on the executive floor?
Yeah, I heard they took some kind of top-secret cargo up there.
Sounds like trouble to me. It might be a good idea to stay away from there.
Guess I'm going up.
Not now.
Way too close. I'd better shut off the comm for now.
We will begin securing the executive floor.
How's my knight in shining armor?
Sion.
Sorry, I'd better get Dominique while I still can.
Volt? Wait, it's me!
Pay for that!
Sion, I thought I told you to stay sharp.
That hurt really, really bad, Volt.
Ho?
You look pretty spiffy in that outfit, Cole.
Whatever. Well, looks like we got our team together.
Don't make me angry! You wouldn't like me when I'm angry!
I
I don't care if I destroy my mind! As long as I slaughter all of you!
The moment you lose your cool, you lose the battle. The moment you lose your cool, you lose the battle.
Hey, come on! See, you gotta keep your cool. Dominique! Dominique! Dominique!
Sion? Sion!
Always getting me in trouble. You had me worried.
This is the first time you ever hugged me.
I don't mean to intrude, but could we save the love scene for later?
Yeah, we have to get out of here first.
Sorry. Let's get going.
Great, but which way do we go?
Security's tight everywhere. Maybe if we head for the rocket tower, it might provide us with a little cover.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, let's move.
Sion, I hope it doesn't take a turn for the worse.
There are intruders in the rocket tower. Switch all robots to security mode. The intruders are headed for the shuttle area.
Damn. Security's tighter than I thought.
With all four of us together, we stand out like a sore thumb.
I'm sorry.
No, that's not what I meant. What I'm saying is we need a decoy.
I see. One of us will escape with Dominique. The other two will draw away the guards.
So, who will go with Dominique?
Shall I escort you, milady?
Why Co? I don't know about this.
Hey, beggars can't be choosers.
Take care of her, Co.
Be careful, Sion.
I'll see you back home, Dominique. I promise.
You too, Volt.
Shall we proceed, Your Highness?
Oh yes, my brave knight. I place my fate in your hands.
Game over.
Shall I...
Hey, Ko,
Huh? What is it?
you think it's okay for me to stay with Sion? I don't like this place. I ran away from here, and that's how I was able to meet Sion, and all of you. The bar's in shambles because of me.
As long as we avoid the worst, it should be okay. No worries, Princess. Even though the boss looks cheap, he's got a sizable fortune. It's all good. Ever since you arrived, Sion's been opening up to us too, thanks to you. I think we have to get on that one. Ambush? Damn it!
Let go!
Miss Dominic, your partner waits you.
I'm going home with Sion!
You have much to learn, my lady.
No, don't!
Do not worry. I simply put her to sleep. Now, allow me to put you to sleep, permanently.
Damn it. If we don't watch it, Dominique might...
I'm gonna pound the life out of it before it tries anything.
You're going to have to deal with the three of us.
3 on 1. Those are acceptable odds.
Acceptable? Give me a break. We're flesh and blood over here.
Hey, come on!
Get that weak stuff out of here.
Dominique, you alright? There's more of them!
I don't like these odds at all. Damn it. She's been activated. You bastard, you're still alive?
Of course! But right now I must bring the girl to the giant shuttle Gallios where Master Durgan is waiting. I'll finish you off after that.
No!
That was Dominique?
She is Durgan's dead sister.
What?
You're awfully well informed, Volt.
Durgan, the present CEO of Mikado, had a younger sister who lost her battle with a terminal illness. Using his position as the head of Mikado, he spared nothing to bring her back to life.
You're lying!
I was a personal guard to the previous Mikado.
No wonder you know so much.
It doesn't matter whether you believe me or not. Right now, she needs you. Sion, I think you need her too.
We're gonna go save Dominique, right? Or else we'll never know the truth. We're gonna need backup. Now's not the time to get all emotional, Sion.
We have to stop this Gallios thing.